Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of upcycle pallet wood into minimalist furniture ideas for easy crafting and income potential. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. There's something deeply grounding about taking what was once discarded and turning it into something beautiful, functional, and lasting. Upcycling pallet wood into minimalist furniture isn't just a trend. It's a meaningful act of transformation, a quiet rebellion against waste and excess. It is where humble beginnings meet purposeful design, where the rough and rugged are refined into something serene, intentional, and powerful. And for the modern woodworker or aspiring craftsman, it offers both personal satisfaction and real income potential, all while staying rooted in sustainability and creativity. Pallets, by their nature, carry stories. They've supported heavy loads, traveled great distances, and often weathered the elements. Their surfaces may be marred, their edges uneven, but within those imperfections lies their beauty. They're accessible, often free, and waiting to be reimagined. That is where the grounding begins, not in chasing perfection, but in seeing potential where others see scraps. It's a mindset that sees value in the overlooked, an ability to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary with little more than vision, care, and your own two hands. Minimalist furniture, on the other hand, speaks a language of calm and clarity. It strips away the excess to reveal what's essential: clean lines, simple forms, honest materials. And when you marry the raw authenticity of pallet wood with minimalist design principles, something magical happens. The rugged charm of the material finds balance in the refined elegance of the form. What results is furniture that feels both grounded and elevated, imperfect yet graceful, rustic but undeniably modern. The process of upcycling pallet wood is, in itself, a grounding experience. You begin by breaking down the pallet, prying apart nailed planks, sanding rough edges, and cleaning off years of grime and grit. It's not always easy work, but it's work that connects you to the material. You learn its grain, its weight, its character. No two boards are the same, and that uniqueness carries into the final piece. A bench made from pallet wood is not just a bench. It's a conversation between time, nature, and the maker. As you design with pallet wood, simplicity becomes your ally. You're working with limited dimensions, uneven textures, and reclaimed imperfections, which naturally steer you toward cleaner, more honest designs. A minimalist coffee table with exposed joinery. A floating shelf that lets the grain do the talking. A slim stool or compact desk that embraces raw edges. These aren't just objects. They're declarations of what can be done with care and intention, even with limited resources. That's where the emotional reward comes in. There's a quiet pride that builds as you work with reclaimed wood, not just because of the craftsmanship involved, but because of the ethic behind it. You're not creating waste. You're preventing it. You're not consuming new materials. You're honoring old ones. In a world dominated by fast furniture and disposable design, your pieces stand apart. They are rooted in a different philosophy, one that values durability, sustainability, and soul. And while the grounding and fulfillment are enough reasons for many to pursue this craft, the income potential is equally compelling. There is a growing demand for furniture that tells a story, especially when it's handmade, environmentally conscious, and beautifully designed. Markets are increasingly saturated with cheaply made, flat-packed furniture that lacks character. People are craving authenticity, and upcycled pallet wood furniture offers just that. Each scratch, knot, and mark becomes part of the piece's narrative, something no mass-produced item can replicate. Whether you're selling locally at craft fairs, listing on platforms like Etsy, or showcasing your process on social media, there's an eager audience for this kind of work. Minimalist pallet furniture is especially marketable because of its versatility. A sleek bookshelf fits in urban apartments. A rustic bench complements farmhouse decor. A wall-mounted wine rack made from pallet scraps becomes a conversation starter. These items are functional, beautiful, and sustainable, all powerful selling points for today's conscious consumer. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, the low cost of materials means that your profit margins can remain high, even while pricing your pieces competitively. With the right tools and a consistent process, you can turn weekend projects into steady revenue streams. And unlike high-volume production, which can dilute the soul of your craft, small batch or made-to-order pallet furniture allows you to maintain the integrity of your work while still scaling your business slowly and meaningfully. But beyond the income, beyond the aesthetics, and beyond the craft itself lies something even more valuable: a mindset shift. Working with pallet wood teaches you to see beauty in what's rough. It challenges you to problem solve, to slow down, and to work with what you have. It reminds you that limitations can inspire creativity rather than hinder it. It's a lesson in gratitude, in patience, and in seeing opportunity not in abundance, but in resourcefulness. The grounding you feel in the workshop carries into your life. You begin to notice textures, colors, and shapes in your environment that once seemed invisible. You start paying attention to where your materials come from, how your purchases affect the planet, and how even small acts of creation can ripple outward in powerful ways. Making a table from pallet wood becomes more than a project. It becomes a meditation on transformation, on possibility, on turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. In the end, upcycling pallet wood into minimalist furniture isn't just a skill or a side hustle. It's a philosophy. It's about finding richness in simplicity, value in waste, and meaning in making. It's about crafting not just furniture, but a new relationship with the world around you. One that is slower, more intentional, and far more fulfilling. So whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just beginning your journey, know this: you don't need exotic lumber, expensive tools, or elaborate designs to create something worthwhile. All you need is a discarded palette, a clear vision, and the belief that even the roughest material can become something beautiful. And as your hands shape that once forgotten wood into something elegant and useful, you'll be shaping something else too, a grounded, creative life that honors both the past and the future, one piece at a time. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked upcycle pallet wood into minimalist furniture ideas for easy crafting and income potential. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.